And look, I'm not gonna be scared. I'm gonna do a smoky eye with my fingers. Hi, I'm Violette and this is Looks Iconic with Mecca. Today I'm recreating the look of my latest campaign for Plume Eyes. It's a smoky eye that I've been loving and I thought it would be really fun to recreate it here with you. So I created Plume Eyes to realize everybody's fantasize about smoky eye, but then I'm sure you had the same experience. When you create that smoky eye, you're very disappointed with the result because most of the time it looks too much, look tired, or it just doesn't look like what you had in mind. And the reason is because there was no product really that worked in a very easy way for you to create that look. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna do it because I love when the technique is infused in the product. So very simple base. I have a concealer and I have this gorgeous Plume blush on me, just a little bit here. Mascara already, but I will now play with this dark shades of Plume Eyes. So charbon fumé, it means how do you say charcoal, like smoke charcoal. And if you notice, charcoal is interesting because it's not black. So I took black pigments and I added a little bit of brown in it, but the magic is that the eyeshadow is sheer. So when you grab it with your finger, you'll see when I swatch it, there's a sheerness to it and it's really blurring and really matte. I'm not using blushes, I don't have primer, I don't even have foundation on my eyes, I don't have concealer, nothing, my eyelid is completely bare. And yet, in 2 seconds, I'm building a smoky eye. I'm adding a little bit more closer to the lash line because I love when the smoky eye is more towards the lash line. And even you can have with a brush a little bit more, really here to create this sort of very soft focused definition. But look how gorgeous it is. It's really like a lived-in veil. Voila. So, smoky eye in 2 seconds. The other eye, so grab with your finger and then you can pat all over the mobile eyelid. So wherever you feel volume, this is where you're gonna apply. And start always closer to your lash line and then you work your way up. You see right there, it's almost done. With a brush, I'm gonna curve a little bit more and really go almost like a liner, a little bit on the bottom. I'm just adding Calisson Bisou Bomb, which is really my favorite to finish this look, and it's what I'm wearing on the campaign because I wanted to shoot daylight. I wanted to shoot with very little retouching, and the idea was to really show when it launches like the freshness of the smoky eye. So not having like studio lighting, hair pulled back, really graphic clothes. I'm like wearing jeans, my hair is messy, we're shooting daylight. There's an ease to it. So I'm hoping that will take you to a place where you can imagine wearing this look every day and even for brunch on a Sunday. I'm gonna add a little bit of Bomb Shine because that's what I use on set to be able to capture the lights in a very natural way. From the moment we shot to now being out, it was a few months, but there was such a magical moment and I love kind of sitting with the moment before something happened. So the day before I launched the brand, I was really trying to sit with that feeling of this is a moment before. We're always projecting ourselves into the moment after, but I actually love that moment before. And so this moment where I was sitting here posing for the photograph, in my head I was really thinking of this is a moment before we launch Plume Eyes, and I'm really excited to see how the world is gonna react to it. So this is how I created this look. Thank you for watching.